Rice cake machine SYP8002 Titanium Coated Moulds and a positioned switch box for Iran. Great. All right. Great. Good. This box is positioned separated now. It's 260 the temperature and speed 4.7, thickness 50, and depth of core is 3.3 as a first assessment of this machine. And pressure. Around 150. After check or set the pressure gauge, you had better close pressure gauge to use longer. Emergency button here. Alright. And standard cylinder here, and pressure socket valve below the cylinder for the stable pressure at the long use. It's a standard cylinder now. And 3 solenoid valve provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the cylinder movement. And triple phase motor and pump. Oil tank here. And fan that we on all the time when the machine works. This white rice and brown rice mix today. And feeding plate here. That's the flux sensor, red light. When the feeding plate is fully back, its red light is on, and feeding plate go forward to supply the rice, it's turn off. Otherwise, you cannot go to the next step. It's a spring, 2 springs here, and drive motor and gear head. When the feeding plate go forward, it's created oil valve here, and check valve and lift valve. Lift valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench and turn clockwise, increase pressure. Turn clockwise, decrease pressure. Also, oil tank here. And control box. It's an inverter. It's a 6000. SSR and breaker and contactor relays on PCB, brain of this machine. Oil tank here, 10 liters of hydraulic oil inside. Great. Oh, very nice. All right.